Hi everyone, my name is Amy, and in this video, I'll show you how to add the Poppers Visitor Counter widget to your Squarespace website. A visitor counter widget can help you display traffic data in a simple and visual way, which can build trust and make your website feel more active and credible. So let's get started. First, go to your Popper dashboard. Once you're there, click on Widgets from the left sidebar, and then click Create New Widget. Now search for Visitor Counter in the widget library and open it. After that, choose a layout according to your preference, and the widget editor will open. On the right side, you'll see the preview, and on the left side, you'll see the settings panel. In the Content tab, you can choose the data source. You can enter the data manually, sync it using the Popper script on your website, or connect Google Analytics to view visitor data. Under Display Settings, you can change label text. Next, go to the Templates tab, where you can change the template. In the Appearance tab, you can change the colors, including the background, primary accent, and text color. Under Shape, you can adjust the border radius. Once you're happy with the customization, click Publish Widget. After that, copy the code and go to your Squarespace site editor. Inside the editor, add a code block, then paste the installation code into it. After that, save your changes. Once your website is live, refresh the page, and your widget will appear successfully. That's it for this video. I'll see you in the next one.